Hello and welcome back. Today we're off to Cambridge IFR through the London TMA.
So it's a bit steamed up in here.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it is.
Having Megan in the back there, sort of.
Me and Otto are having a time of our lives.
There's a delay. Bombo. La 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 bombo. Bunkway. Start.
Yes, I know it's La Bamba, not La Bombo, but it's still a bop.
Laurel.
Anyway, on with the flight planning.
Take up the hold.
And you've got Hardy at the top, Laurel and Hardy.
Yeah.
The information, Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima here at Hangar 15. Request airfield information, 3 POB for a IFR flight to Cambridge.
Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima, the information, good morning. Runway users 23 right on circuit, QNH 1024, taxi, your discretion, Delta 1.
23 right hand circuit, QNH 1024, and we'll taxi to Delta 1, Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima.
Golf Lima Lima via Delta, taxi around to Echo 1, report ready.
Via Delta to Echo 1 and Wilco, Golf Lima Lima.
And information, Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima, holding Echo 1, we are ready for departure.
Golf Lima Lima, roger, just got a clearance of sorts from TC if you're ready to copy.
AVIONICS ready to copy, Golf Lima Lima.
Golf Lima Lima, London control instructors, Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima, remain outside controlled airspace, squawk 7737 and contact side of radar and departure 120.230.
Okay, London control clears, Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima to Cambridge, remain outside controlled airspace, squawk 7737 and next frequency 120.230.
Golf Lima Lima, if I read back correct, there's no body traffic, runway 23, take off your discretion, the service wind 240 degrees 16 knots.
Flight Echo 1, lining up, taking off runway 23, Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima, thank you. Perfect. Squawking 7737, next frequency 120.230.
Check. P's and P's are green, green, green.
All good, and our requested cruise will be flight level 70. But I say we'll stay VMC, we'll call Solent as soon as we can in the downwind and see what we can get from them.
Okay.
Which is actually really nice, because sometimes Solent want you to remain outside. Well, we've been told to clear, remain outside, but as in they usually don't work IFR traffic, so that's excellent news.
Okay, heels on the floor.
Hills are on the floor.
Okay. All power indicated.
T's and P's are green.
Okay, gear coming up. No one in the circuit, we can take an early right down here. Let's go and hit the cloud straight away.
Yeah. Well, we can go up to 3,000 feet, so we can try and break through and get on top, because they don't look that thick. There's nothing in the local area.
Alright, where you going?
Everyone, IS still. It's already got alt select in the thing.
Oh, we're already up.
Item up, so that we go. Information Golf Lima departing the downwind leg to the north. We're going to change to Solent 120230. See you later.
Golf Lima, Roger, 2 Solent, radar, your flight plan activated, minute 57, have a good flight, good day.
Minute 57, thanks, see you later.
Julia, Papa Kilo. Number 575, Papa Whiskey, descent.
If we go to 27, altitude 2,700 feet.
Station, just call sign, say again the call sign.
2007.
Helicopter Golf, Tango, Julia, Papa Kilo.
Outside air temperature,
Kilo,
6 degrees.
Papa Kilo, AW 109, 52B, currently over and over at 1,500, altitude 1018, hour 50 degrees.
We could pretty much go direct to Westmead on the crossroads.
Drop off refuel, positive initially a basic service. Call Papa Kilo, Roger, then basic service, QNH is 1023. Basic service 1023, sir. Call Papa Kilo, call 3670. Golf Papa Whiskey, correction, Golf Papa Kilo. The weather is currently more than 10 kilometres broken at 1,300 feet. You request to enter controlled airspace, IFR or special VFR? Special VFR, sir. Roger, Quebec.
Solent radar, hello, Golf Victor Alpha Lima with you. Squawking 7737, climbing to altitude 2,700 feet on QNH 1024.
Golf Victor Alpha Lima, Solent radio, cleared to enter control, correction, cleared to enter the solar control area in the climb to altitude 4,000 feet, QNH 1023.
Clear to enter Solent control airspace in the climb to altitude 4,000 feet, QNH 1023, Golf Victor Alpha Lima.
And November 575, Papa.
4,000?
Yep.
Your routing inbound to Lyon, Solent. Yeah, the range to perform an ILS at Southampton. Sorry, I thought that had been arranged. Just a cloud break and then we'll continue VFR. Okay, the cloud breaks aren't...
In lighter, but it's thicker than I thought.
So how have you booked that? It's a training flight for an ILS. Well, in that case, then can you navigation to the Sierra Alpha Mike, but actually cancel all training for today, so I'll come back to you. Sorry, say again about the training? Training was cancelled for today, but continue on navigation to the Sierra Alpha Mike initially and I'll call you back. Alright, thanks. Direct Southampton, 5 Papa Whiskey. Golf Victor Alpha Lima, initially route direct to Pepis.
Route direct Pepis, Golf Victor Alpha Lima.
Golf Tango, Juliet Papa Kilo, clear to enter controlled airspace, not above altitude 2,000 feet, special VFR, join straight and approach runway 20. Clear to enter zone about 2,000 feet, VFR, straight to 20, Golf Papa Kilo. Okay, it's confirmed it's special VFR clearance. Apologies, special VFR, Golf Papa Kilo. Thank you, and report your altitude on QNH 1023. 1,500, 1023, Golf Papa Kilo.
Yay! Through the cloud.
Golf Lima, climb to altitude 5,000 feet.
Climb to altitude 5,000 feet, Golf Victor Alpha Lima. Welcome to the airways, people.
Yeah, it's lovely up here.
The best way to travel. Well, that's a lie. Depends if you're in a scenic area.
Lima, just out of interest, did you contact the TC system before you got airborne from Lyon Solent?
Negative. The FISOs gave them a phone call.
Okay, that's fine, thanks very much. And you're entering controlled airspace now, radar control.
Radar control service, Golf Victor Alpha Lima.
Golf Lima, fly heading now 020 degrees.
Fly heading 020 degrees, Golf Lima.
November 5, Papa Whiskey, fly heading 205. Heading 205, 5 Papa Whiskey.
So the cloud layer is not actually that thick, which is quite nice.
Yeah.
So on the way back, if they're able to give us a traffic service, or Farnborough, depends what they give us, and then we just cloud break by Wickham, and then back.
Solid radar, Golf Papa Kilo. Is it possible to take the ILS to 1.20, weather's deterioration, south of Wallop? Golf Papa Kilo, Roger, then climb now to altitude 2,500 feet. 2,500 feet, Golf Papa Kilo. Okay, that's the minimum safe level for IFR flight at the moment. Copy. The Golf, Echo Golf, Alpha Golf, contact London Control now, frequency is 133.180. 133.180, Golf Alpha Golf, mate. Right. November 5 Papa Whiskey, turn right now, heading 215.
Oh, our next frequency is going to be...
Golf Lima, climb now, flight level 70.
Climb now, flight level 70, Golf Lima Lima.
Golf Tango.
And we need to set standard pressure, 1013.
Of 110 degrees, we're entering controlled airspace, radar.
I don't know if you want to do it on that one as well, we'll keep that one on the QNH maybe.
Golf Tango, Juliet Papa Kilo 7. Golf Papa Kilo 7, sorry sir. Enter controlled airspace, radar control. Turn left now onto a heading of 020 degrees. Left 0200, left 020 at radar control, Golf Papa Kilo. So we'll now be vectoring them for the ILS approach runway 20 Southampton. Copy, Golf Papa Kilo.
Either going to be 127955 or 135805, I think. We'll see. We'll probably get neither.
That is your pump off there.
Yeah, no worries. T's and P's, all good.
Golf Lima Lima, turn left onto a heading of 360 degrees.
Left heading 360 degrees, Golf Lima Lima.
Number 575, Papa Whiskey, descend to altitude 5,000 feet, QNH is 1023.
Descend altitude 5,000 feet, QNH 1023, 5 Papa Whiskey.
Hey, the weather's deteriorating now, it's more than 10 kilometres, the cloud's broken, well, it's probably broken at 1,000 feet now. What will be your intentions on the missed approach?
I mean, IFR is something else, isn't it? It's just...
I think if the weather's deteriorating that much, it will probably be, we request to land at Southampton, but we'll, if possible, we'll have a look at the weather when we get through. Golf Lima Lima, resume navigation now direct to Pepis.
Resume navigation direct Pepis, Golf Lima Lima.
Okay, Golf Papa Kilo, turn left heading 360 degrees, 16 miles from touchdown. 360, Golf Papa Kilo.
You'll get in the back, Meg?
Number 5 Papa Whiskey, descend towards
Sorry, my mic wasn't in my mouth.
Descend altitude 4.
I was having a little nibble.
Of the snacks?
Yeah, I've got.
Good.
I've got Kinder Buenos and squares. If anyone wants anything.
We'll edit that. Can you just say, I've got salad, carrot sticks, and
a glass of water.
I'm all good, thank you.
I'll take a picture because Ellie, who flies at EFT, is also obsessed with Kinder Buenos, so I want to send her a picture of my in-flight snack.
Golf Lima Lima, contact London Control now 134.125.
Contact London Control now 134.125. Golf Lima Lima, thanks for your help.
Golf Papa Kilo.
London Control, hello, Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima, with you passing altitude 5,500 feet, climbing flight level 70.
Golf Victor Alpha Alpha Lima, Roger, route direct Pepis.
Route direct Pepis, and it's Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima.
But direct to Pepis anyway.
Which we are.
197,
Forgot to say we're on track Pepis, which is all good.
Alpha 120, Roger 197. Tomjet 038, fly heading 250 degrees. Heading 250, Tomjet 038, climb now, flight level 100. Flight level 100,
London Control, good morning. Morning for Yankee Hotel, Bogna 1 X-ray, passing 1,900 feet, climb to 5,000 feet.
Leaving for Yankee Hotel, Roger. Control, good morning, Hotel, the max at 1 Fox, passing 3,800, climbing 6,000 feet.
1,000 to go.
Bye. Receiver 78 Hotel, Roger.
Just turn them up just a tad.
London, Golf Alpha Golf. Confirm routing after Goodwood, please. Golf Alpha Golf, just continue heading after Goodwood. Heading Golf Alpha Golf.
This is where, I say, it's nice being separated from other traffic. We might end up mixing with, well, we'll definitely end up mixing with some of the Stansted and Luton stuff. We'll probably be a bit low for the
I hope we see big planes.
Heathrow stuff. Yeah, probably. There's a Virgin 350 or something at our...
Tomjet 038.
We're separated from the riffraff now.
Negative 110 is clear level. Tomjet 37 Echo, Roger, climb now, flight level 80. Climb now, flight level 80, Virgin 197, contact London 129.430. 129.430, Virgin 197, bye-bye. Tomjet 038, turn right, heading 275, climb level 140. Heading of 275, climb level 140, Tomjet 038. Tomjet 038, maintain level 120. Subject 038, maintain flight level 120, confirm.
I'm sorry. Hello, good morning. Shuttle 15 Bravo descending, flight level 130 and current speed 250 knots, 40, rock log, rock.
Shuttle 15 Bravo, roger, direct to Ockham.
Ockham, Shuttle 15 Bravo.
Shamrock 38 Alpha, roger.
I just find it interesting listening to the
Comjet 3
TC and AC frequencies, the mix of all the traffic and the voices, rather than all us VFR pilots on the lower level frequencies and the LARs.
Definitely.
So while we've got a bit of time then, so we're going to anticipate the ILS runway 23 at Cambridge. MSA coming from the west is 2,000 feet. The approach frequency 120.965. They may not have radar, so we may end up doing a procedural. But we'll see. If we can get vectors, we'll get vectors. Aerodrome elevation 47 feet. And basically, if it's procedural, we'll fly to Charlie Alpha Mike, which is 332.5, which is set. ILS frequency 110.3, which is set. And it will be to the hold at altitude 3,000 feet, or as directed by ATC. Fly outbound, heading of 058, descending to altitude 1,700 feet. They will then intercept the ILS on a heading of 229, and it is 3 degree...
Lima, contact London 121.280.
Contact London 121.280, Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima.
Lima 2.
Thunder Control, hello, Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima with you, flight level 70 on track Norrie.
Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima, roger, thank you.
Okay,
Golf Lima Lima, expect a Silver 1 Lima arrival for Cambridge.
Expect Silver 1 Lima arrival for Cambridge, Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima. Good, which we have programmed.
355.
355, we're going to
so, yeah, once you're at altitude 1,700 feet at DME 5, we start our descent. For 100 knots, it's 530 foot per minute. And the minima for Barrow is 247. Our absolute minimum is 200, so let's call it 250 feet.
Logan 82 Whiskey Romeo, report your heading. London Control 130.190.
I think it's in options, isn't it?
As is good practice in any IFR flight, a full approach and arrival briefing ensures that we are prepared for the procedure before it commences. The excellent Garmin GI275 instruments in the Lance can be programmed with the approach minima, which Val is doing here. If we weren't visual with the runway lights by the point the call-out minimums is made, we'd have to go around and either reassess the weather or divert.
Perfect.
Golf Lima Lima, fly heading 020 degrees.
Fly heading of 020 degrees, Golf Lima Lima. Got one here?
Yeah.
So down to a minimum of 250, go around, climb straight ahead to altitude 2,000 feet, turn left, return to Charlie Alpha Mike, 2,000 feet or as directed. Diversion, if we need it, will be Norwich, but currently the METAR at Cambridge 240 at 17, visibility 10k or more, few at 1,000, scattered at 2,000, so well above our minima. Any questions?
Nope.
Okay, so next then is the Silver 1 Lima, which we can expect. It's actually a Stansted arrival. And it's no lower than flight level 70 until cleared. And we'll double check the flight plan, but it's Silver Bombo Barkway.
Here I'm confirming our routing in the GPS to match the standard terminal arrival routing, or STAR, that ATC have issued us. In the UK, these usually finish at a published hold, so I'm also ensuring that the holding point, direction and time all match that of the published procedure. Being proficient in IFR flight is all about being ahead of the aircraft as much as possible. The more that can be planned and preset to save time and mental capacity, the better.
Well, look how this is looking. Silver, Bombo, Barkway. Buster to hold at Laurel. And then to Cambridge in anticipation for the ILS. Oh yeah.
So at what stage would we activate the approach?
So the approach is quite a bit. So the star we just fly, he's told us to anticipate it. And then the approach will be one with Cambridge.
Because at the moment we've got no hold, but the hold's in there, isn't it?
Yeah, so we've programmed it. But that's the hold, because the hold is technically a Stansted hold. Because we speak to Stansted radar, who then filter us in.
Golf Lima Lima, turn right heading 035.
Turn right heading 035, Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima.
Right, 035.
And Stansted is 120625. Got the routing, which is all good. Bit more of a direct routing, which is quite nice. And if you want, I shall quickly get the ATIS. So your radios, I'll get the ATIS.
Sorry.
50, you can come back to minimum clean speed. Old Bovington, Seabird 24 ready.
Cool, I am back with the radios. So it's information echo. Wind is 230 degrees, 18 knots. 10k or more. View at 1000. Scattered at 2000. Temperature plus 9er. Dew point plus 6. QNH of 1018. And there's no radar service, so it will be a procedural ILS which we've briefed. Any questions on the brief?
Nope.
Meg, any questions?
Nope, nope, all good.
London United 5, 160 for 150, heading 150, speed 250.
United 5, good morning, after vectors, expect to hold at Bovington, delay is 11 minutes.
Expect to hold at Bovington, United 5.
London Shuttle 3 Romeo, descending flight number 150, heading 147 degrees.
Nice little shortcut.
Shuttle 3 Romeo.
Yeah.
Going straight over the top of Luton. Just down there somewhere.
Flight level 110, be level Bovington if you can, please.
Flight level 110 to be level by Bovington.
I mean, there's no gaps in the clouds really, is there?
Uniform, descend flight level 120.
I think it will clear up the closer we get to Cambridge.
Maybe there.
United 5, descend flight level 130.
She dive bomb it.
130, United 5.
Shuttle 3 Romeo, descend flight level 140.
Descend flight level 140, Shuttle 3 Romeo. Shuttle 3 Romeo.
I was saying we've got 40 knots of...
heading 075.
75, easy 72, Charlie.
On the Cat 1 Alpha Papa, climbing flight level 100, radar heading is 350 degrees.
From the Cat 1 Alpha Papa, thanks, turn right, heading 360 degrees, climb flight level 140.
Flight heading 360 degrees and climb flight level 140.
There's an EasyJet somewhere over there that's 1,000 foot above us. And there it is.
5, reduce the minimum clean
11
speed.
o'clock.
Oh yeah, I see.
That'll be going into Luton.
United 5.
So we're now being a pain in the bum for them.
Descending flight level
What do you reckon?
150.
Well, they've got, because they'll be going to the same level. So they've got to squeeze us through, or keep them 1,000 foot above.
Go to Bovington to hold, Shuttle 16.
Guardian 10 Hotel, thanks for your help, contact Heathrow Director 1190.730.
190.730, Virgin 10 Hotel. Good night.
Easy 782 Charlie, report your heading, Luton radar 1290.550.
152, easy 782 Charlie, bye.
And Golf Lima Lima, contact Luton with your heading 129.550. Good morning.
Contact Luton with the heading 129.550. Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima, good morning.
Hello, you've got 22 miles, descent altitude 5,000 feet, QNH 1019er.
755 speed, QNH1019, 782 Charlie.
Luton radar, good morning. Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima with you. Flight level 70, heading 050 degrees.
Victor Alpha Lima Lima, good morning. Easy 782 Charlie, speed 180 knots, turn left heading 060 degrees.
Heading up 060 degrees, speed 180 knots, easy 782 Charlie.
Oscar 3 Romeo Sierra, turn right heading 230 degrees, cleared ILS approach, runway 25.
Right heading 230 degrees, cleared ILS 25 with good.
I reckon that could be Amanda who did our Nats tour. She's Luton, isn't she?
She's Luton and Stansted, yep.
Golf Lima Lima, route direct to Charlie Alpha Mike.
Route direct Charlie Alpha Mike, Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima. One, two, three. All together now.
All together now.
Together.
All together now.
Together. Come on, Meg, where's the backing?
Oh, sorry.
Vocals.
Can't go that high. I've got quite a deep voice. In no man's land. Together.
Easy 782 Charlie, turn right heading 170 degrees.
It's breaking up a bit now. Looks like a nicer day up here.
Yeah. I'm thinking of lunch.
Oh, yeah.
Salad.
Oh, yeah, salad and water. How far is Cambridge town from the airfield?
Not far at all.
Do we know where we're going?
No, but it's Cambridge, there'll be loads of places open.
It'll be all the yummy mummy brunch places.
Request change Skywell 122.705.
Golf Tango Echo, school contiguity, my service terminated, bye for now.
Golf security en route, thanks for your help. Golf Tango Echo, bye.
Oscar 3 Romeo Sierra, speed 165 knots until 5 DME.
165 till 5 is good, 3 Romeo Sierra.
Easy 782 Charlie, turn right heading 190 degrees, descent altitude 3,000 feet.
Heading 190 degrees, descent 3,000
T's and P's are all good. Fuel, we've changed tanks, radios are set as much as we know they are. STI. Don't need to check altimeter. We're still on standard pressure, flight level 70. 1018 will be our QNH. No ice, ATC we have information. Echo, minimum 250 which you have set. Plates and brief has been briefed.
There might be a bit of a delay on the descent there just because Cambridge have got a Charlie 130 to depart to the northwest. They just want me to hold on to you a little bit longer until they've got that traffic up and away. I'll keep you updated.
I can see the ground.
That's no problem, thank you very much. Golf Lima Lima.
So?
They've got a Hercules on its way in. So we're number 2 to that, so they're going to keep hold of us a little bit longer. And that means that we're probably going to go straight to Cambridge radar next, or Cambridge approach, 120965.
Easy 782 Charlie, turn right heading 230 degrees, cleared ILS approach, runway 25.
Heading 230 degrees, clear last approach 25, easy 782 Charlie.
Something down there going into Luton. EasyJet.
A bit more broken here, isn't it?
Yeah. Lovely day on top though, isn't it?
Yeah, clouds still look low there, don't they?
Yeah. Well, it was few at 1,000, so.
Good morning, Galaxy 311, descent flight level 110.
I don't mean to be pushy or anything, but what sort of salad are we thinking of having?
Good morning. Information
Chicken Caesar, the classic.
I love a chicken Caesar.
Formation India, descent flight level 80.
Have you seen that new one? The green burger.
Oh no.
Green burger. Pizza salad. Oh, mine a pizza actually. I've got my medical on Friday. I was trying to be healthy, but he's going to tell me I'm built like a potato, so might as well embrace it.
Easy 72 Charlie, localised established.
Easy 782 Charlie, speed 165 knots until 5 DME.
1655 DME, easy 782 Charlie.
you remember my friend that we met in?
Lima, descent to altitude 6,000 feet, Cambridge QNH 1018.
Descend to altitude 6,000 feet, QNH 1018, Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima. Oh, that's just changing the altitude as opposed to, so you go VS mode first. And then we need to change QNH to 1018.
Sorry, contact the tower, call sign only, 132.555, bye-bye.
Okay, 132.555, easy 72 Charlie, bye.
You can do that one as well.
Left heading 020 degrees.
Left heading 020 degrees, Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima. Was it already recording? Oh no. It is now.
Golf Lima Lima, descend to altitude 4,000 feet, you will leave controlled airspace in 3 miles, there'll be a traffic service outside.
Descend to altitude 4,000 feet and traffic service on leaving, Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima. Set 1018 set.
Expected 9411
Liters remaining.
311, turn left heading 210 degrees.
Turn left heading 210 degrees, LL 311.
Golf Lima Lima, resume navigation, Charlie Alpha Mike.
Resume navigation, Charlie Alpha Mike, Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima.
Luton, good morning, 650 Quebec, descending altitude 6,000 feet, radar heading 115, information India 220.
Easy 64 Zulu Quebec, listen to radar, hello, descent altitude 5,000 feet, turn left heading 095.
Altitude 5,000 feet, left heading 095, 64 Zulu Quebec.
Luton, Zulu Sierra Delta Lima Alpha, 6,000 feet, good day.
Zulu Sierra Delta Lima Alpha, Luton radar, hello.
Hello.
Golf Lima Lima, you are in controlled airspace for traffic service.
Traffic service, Golf Lima Lima.
Golf Lima Lima, there is traffic just departing Cambridge Admin, indicating altitude 1,600 feet, radar service terminates, contact Cambridge 120.965, bye-bye.
Copy the traffic, thanks for your help. Contact Cambridge 120.965, Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima.
LR 311, descend.
And their tower frequency 125905. Cambridge approach, good morning, Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima with you, descending to altitude 4,000 feet, passing altitude 4,600 feet, we're PA32, information echo QNH 1018, and we're on track Charlie Alpha Mike.
Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima, Cambridge approach, good morning, procedural service, I'm sorry I missed the first bit, which approach are you requesting?
Procedural approach, and ILS for runway 23, please, Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima.
Golf Lima Lima, roger, and are you able to depart direct outbound from the Charlie Alpha Mike?
Affirm, Golf Lima Lima.
Golf Lima Lima, roger, report reaching altitude 4,000 feet.
Report reaching altitude 4,000 feet, Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima.
Traffic 3 o'clock, 10 kilometres, 1,700 feet above.
Golf Charlie Romeo Oscar India, request basic service.
Golf Charlie Romeo Oscar India, Cambridge approach, good morning, standby 1.
Golf Lima Lima, altitude 4,000 feet. Sorry, I think I stepped in there. Was that Golf Lima Lima descent altitude 3,000 feet?
Hey, sir.
Okay, thank you. And VS mode again.
Golf Oscar India, pass your message.
Golf Oscar India, Robin HR 200, as official en route back to Crowfield. Over Bassingbourne, 1,700 feet, QNH 1018. Routing through the gap, requesting basic service.
Golf Oscar India, roger, Squawk 6176, basic service, QNH 1018.
Squawk 6176, basic service, QNH 1018, Golf Oscar India.
Golf Oscar India, report to the gap.
Okay, Golf Oscar India.
Golf Lima Lima, maintain altitude 3,000 feet, on reaching, report Charlie Alpha Mike outbound.
Report altitude 3,000 feet on reaching, and, sorry, maintain 3,000 feet on reaching, report Charlie Alpha Mike outbound, Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima.
Traffic 12 o'clock, 8 kilometres, 2.
200 to go.
2,000 feet below. Traffic notice 800 feet above.
So we're now outbound.
1,900 feet below.
Golf Lima Lima, Charlie Alpha Mike outbound.
Golf Lima Lima, roger.
Okay, beacon outbound, brakes are off, undercarriage to follow, mixture is fully rich. Fuel, we don't need to change tanks, fuel pump can come on.
Fuel pump's on.
Lights.
And the lights coming on.
Instruments 1018 set 3 times, we've got the approach activated and we're following it at the minute. Circuit breakers are all in, hatches and harnesses are all strapped in, all good in the back.
Hey fam.
Minimum 250 feet, it'll be a standard missed approach, so on the go around, climb straight ahead to 2,000 feet, and then back to Charlie Alpha Mike. Approach set identified, frequency, and now come in. And GPS mode, we'll switch, we'll press CDI once we're making the...
Lima cleared ILS approach runway 23, descend with the procedure QNH 1018.
Cleared ILS runway 23, descend with the procedure QNH 1018, Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima. Cool, so we can descend now to altitude 1,700 feet.
1,700.
Cambridge approach. Golf Hotel Echo Romeo Charlie, request basic service under IFR.
You're not going to arm the approach yet?
Yeah, we can do actually.
Golf Romeo Charlie, Cambridge approach, stand by. Golf Lima Lima, Lincoln Heath advised traffic in the Mildenhall circuit is a KC 135.
That's copied, Golf Lima Lima.
Golf Hotel Echo Romeo Charlie, Cambridge approach, good morning. Flash message.
Golf Hotel Echo Romeo Charlie, Cessna 172, 2 POB, IFR from Cambridge to Cranfield, currently altitude 2,000 feet on departure, request basic service under IFR.
Golf Romeo Charlie, roger, copied IFR, basic service.
Basic service. Any further altitude restrictions, Golf Romeo Charlie?
Golf Romeo Charlie, no further ATC level restriction. Traffic southwest of Cambridge eastbound is a Robin at launch point 1,600 feet.
Golf Romeo Charlie.
Good, starting return.
Golf Lima Lima report passing altitude 2,000.
I'm just passing altitude 2,000 feet now and on the turn at TMA 8, Golf Lima Lima.
Golf Lima Lima, roger.
To go.
Golf Romeo Charlie, reset squawk 6176 and confirm squawking mode Alpha and Charlie.
6176, Golf Romeo.
So it's coming in.
8 firm, mode Charlie selected.
So should it automatically switch?
Golf Oscar India is in the gap.
Golf Oscar India, roger, thank you. Report ready to change en route.
Wilco, Golf Oscar India.
I'd maybe hit CDI. There we go. It's now on the localizer.
Airfield in sight.
Closure with the runway. Glide slope is there, but not yet captured.
So go around to 2,000.
Yep.
Put that in.
Yep.
2,000 set.
Good, so final approach checks. Configuration, so flaps and gear whenever you're ready. Go around altitude is set.
We're on 229. That is heading for the ILS, wasn't it?
Golf Lima Lima, contact Cambridge Tower now 125.905. Good day.
Contact Cambridge Tower 125.905. Got picture Alpha Lima Lima.
Okay, gears coming down.
Roger. Cambridge Tower, hello, Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima with you, ILS runway 23, localizer established, 7 miles.
Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima, Cambridge Tower, good morning, continue approach report 4 miles, traffic backtracking the main winds, 250 degrees, 19 knots, gusting 30.
Continue approach runway 23, copy the traffic, report 4 miles. If you're planning, we will require avgas on arrival, Golf Lima Lima.
Copy, thank you, break Golf November Alpha, hold position there.
Good, gear is down, 3 greens, and on the gear camera, glide slope's coming in.
I'll leave the flap off for a minute.
Yep. All set in the back, Meg?
All set.
How is your IFR experience so far?
Good. Taking it all in.
This will be you in a year's time?
I understand it all, I just don't think I could do it.
It's all about keeping ahead.
Bravo, is it okay if we do a 180?
Keeping ahead of the aircraft. You'll be fine.
There's just one aircraft to vacate at Bravo who's going to route straight round to Alpha, so I'll be getting you further taxi in about 30 seconds, maybe 1 minute. Okay. Golf Lima Lima, confirm it's avgas you need?
Yes, please, Golf Lima Lima.
Glide slope's coming in.
Traffic, 12 o'clock, 10 kilometres, 1,006.
2 whites, 2 reds.
Yeah, perfect.
Golf Lima Lima, runway 23, Silverton 240 degrees, 15 knots, gusting 30, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 23, Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima. Cool, glide slope captured, it's in the green. Holding it nicely, wind to 240 degrees. It's down the runway, a bit gusty, but...
Let's get one stage up now.
Good, 6 speed.
Turn Echo Tower, copy, thanks.
The weather's much nicer up here.
1,003.
Apart from the wind.
Probably get the prop lever up. Give us a bit more torque from the prop.
Red blues.
3
Three
greens. Checked.
Golf November, if it helps, we don't need Alpha to take off. We can go from Bravo.
Golf November Alpha, taxi to holding point Bravo.
This is Bravo, Golf November Alpha.
Mike Kilo Golf, we are ready at Alpha.
Mike Kilo Golf, thank you, hold position. There's one 2.5 mile final landing.
Visual, Mike Kilo Golf, hold position at Alpha.
Traffic, 12 o'clock, 5 kilometres, 800 feet below.
Cool, red blues, 3 greens, we got clearance to land. 600 foot to our minimum.
Joe, stay 1 stage of flaps?
Yeah, we've got plenty of runway. Very gusty. And wind check.
240 degrees, 20 knots.
Good, so the gusting 30's gone now.
600 feet.
Check.
Traffic, 12 o'clock, 3 kilometres, 500.
This approach reminds me a little bit of Rotterdam, the city to the right.
500.
Yeah.
Nice long runway. Just with less Dutch people.
500 feet.
Check.
Traffic 12 o'clock, 2 kilometres, 300 feet below.
Houston wind 250, 18 knots.
The glide slope a little bit, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's picking it back up though.
Minimums.
Visual.
Continue.
AFM. Hills on the floor, rinse for blues, 3 greens.
Jesus.
Traffic 1 o'clock, 470 metres, 100 feet below. Traffic 1 o'clock, 410 metres, level. Traffic 2 o'clock, 130.
Mike Kilo Golf Fire Alpha enter runway 23 backtrack full length line.
Tell you what.
Enter Alpha backtrack runway 23 Mike.
Woo! 10 out of 10. Ooh, the Hercules.
30 metres, level.
They'll probably get us to backtrack and vacate Charlie.
Golf Alpha hold position, break Golf Lima Lima 180 backtrack runway 23.
180 backtrack, Golf Lima Lima.
Hold position, Golf Alpha.
Ooh, lots of Hercules.
We can fit it back at the moment.
Yeah, we could. So I imagine it'll
Golf
be...
Lima Lima vacate first left taxiway Charlie, first left taxiway Charlie, and then Charlie Alpha, you'll be parking outside hangar 1 for fuel. Are you familiar?
next left at Charlie, then taxiway Alpha outside hangar 1 for fuel, negative, Golf Lima Lima.
Roger, I'll give you further. Golf Lima Lima right at the end, and it's the big white hangar, the first one you can see on your left hand side. You'll see the double white lines. You can park outside those hangar doors, please, behind the double white lines.
Roger, right turn at Alpha and inside the white lines, outside the white doors. Thank you, Golf Lima Lima.
And so there we have it, parked up and being refuelled at Cambridge, whilst we headed into town for some salad and a big side of pizza. Thanks for watching and coming along. If you haven't already, hit the like and subscribe buttons, and see you again soon for another adventure.